everyone. This is Mahima Singh, legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today we'll talk about guidelines on arrest of a woman. Chapter 5 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Now what does section 46 lays down? The procedure to make an arrest. According to section 41 subsection 1, the person making an arrest shall not touch or confine the body of the accused if he has surrendered on his own by. According to section 46 subsection 1, the person making an arrest shall not touch, confine the body of an accused if he has surrendered on his own by the way of words or action. The arresting authority will have the right to touch and confine when the accused person has not surrendered. So here we have three modes of arresting the person. The first one is submission of body, second is touching the body, and third is confining the body. Basically here touching means forceful. Now the proviso of this section states that women accused will be arrested by a female authority under some circumstances. Male officers may also arrest, but the both officers shall not touch or confine her body. The female officer is empowered to touch or confine. If the accused fails to surrender, it is stated that no woman shall be subjected to arrest after sunset and before sunrise. Now there is section 46 subsection 4 that states, basically providing, it's a proviso that provides immunity to arresting officer, that in exceptional circumstances a woman can be arrested after sunset and before sunrise by a woman officer. For the same, it is mandatory on the part of female officer to make a written report and obtain the prior permission of the judicial magistrate of the jurisdiction required. According to the National Human Rights Commission, it is important that a woman shall be arrested only by a female officer as far as possible. Now, the Apex Court has made several of judgments on the same section. We'll go through accordingly. Now, Sheila Barsi versus State of Maharashtra laid down certain guidelines on the arrest of female accused. Firstly, it's the duty of a police officer to check and make sure that the arrested women are kept away from man in a female locker. If there is no separate locker, then the arrested woman will be kept in a different room in association with the female officers only. Secondly, the arrest woman after sunrise and sunset must be avoided. Basically, the arrest of a woman before and after sunrise is avoided. Now, laboring women must be restrained in the the case name is like this: State of Maharashtra versus Christian Community Welfare Council of India, wherein a lady went to inquire about the arrest of her husband, was locked up and molested jointly. After investigation of CID officers and the police officers were found guilty, the Session Court granted 3 years of punishment with a fine. But the Bombay High Court upheld the dignity of a woman and ruled that no woman shall be detained or arrested without the presence of a female officer, and no case they shall be arrested after sunset and before sunrise. The Apex Court understood the motive behind the decision of an High Court, but it was in the opinion that the presence of female arrest is not possible in practical. So hence, keeping that in mind, the object, it was laid down that all possible ways shall be opted to avail female officer constable for the arrest of a female accused. But under circumstances where it is not possible to avail in prompt, then the male officer will make the arrest to prevent difficulties in investigation. Section 46(4) clarifies that exceptional situations during the arrest of a woman after sunsets and before sunrise. Now there are other certain landmark judgments on arrest of a woman. We'll discuss in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye.